Looks very easy. Ay, ay, ay. I need to change the blade of my bandsaw. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do that. So let's open up. So, let's clean this a little bit. And this wheel, I release the tension of the blade. So it will come loose. Yep. And if you have removed it, then there's this trick. You will definitely find better videos on this on the internet. But if you twist this blade and somehow twist it together, then don't ask me how I did that. But it's possible. So let's try it again. Try it again without. Oh, okay. Okay, so start with twisting it and then putting it together. It looks very easy. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, so hold it this way, twist it, and somehow coming together. I absolutely have no idea how I did this, but I can do it again. I can live with it. So here's my new blade. So just put it on. Alright. I can adjust the position of the blade on the wheel with the screw on the back here. It's the screw. Because the screw on the back determines the angle of the wheel and the position of the blade, of course. So when I turn it and twist the screw, see now the blade is moving backwards. See, the teeth are almost in the center of the blade, of the wheel, in the center of the wheel. So I fix the screw on the back here in this position. So if I turn the wheel, this should be in a position where it moves sometimes, but not the whole time. So like this, it would be perfect. But the thing on this machine is it's very difficult to to get it right. See? See, now it's moving too much. Okay, just a little bit more out. See, the other one's not moving at all. So this would be perfect. So now there is another bearing on the back. See, there is another bearing, and it takes all the pressure. So I move it. At least this is easier to adjust. This is good. See it? It's not always moving. And from time to time, that's okay. There's another one sitting down there. Push it a little bit. So that is much, but I think let's try it. Okay, let's check if this is 1 centimeter. Right. So this is it. I hope you found this helpful. Never mind to like it or even subscribe to my channel. Check out my channel, by the way, and see you next time. Bye bye. This just destroyed it. See that? See that? Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, let's see if it still works. Totally destroyed.